On the 7th of November 2024, members of the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union Nehusu gathered outside the office of the Vice-Chancellor of the university, Prabha Shankar Shukla, calling for his resignation. Amid chants demanding change, the students voiced frustration over what they described as Shukla's lack of action in addressing alleged administrative shortcomings despite his 3-year tenure as university head. The protest escalated with the burning of effigies of both the Vice-Chancellor and the Registrar Academics. Students criticized Shukla's recent request for an additional 10 days to appoint a pro-Vice-Chancellor for the university's Shillong and Tura campuses, viewing it as further delay in much-needed administrative reforms.
Nehusu down, down! Nehusu down, down! Nehusu down, down!
Has been taken in the meeting. First of all, I understand that there are some issues raised against these individuals by the student community and they are demanding their removals. The university has some rules and regulations in place to deal with such issues. As a Vice Chancellor, my role is to safeguard those rules and regulations under the constitutional provision. Therefore, I am going to call a meeting of Executive Council to form an inquiry committee within November, means 11th November 2024. Inquiry report, I will take the action against Deputy Registrar and Registrar of the university, the first. Second point, you are also concerned about the appointment of Pro-Vice Chancellor. Since the joining, I was agreed to appoint the Pro-Vice Chancellor. Even wrote 4-5 letters to Government of India regarding clarification of every Pro-Vice Chancellor. Till now, I have not received any reply, but in the interest of the community, in the interest of the students, I am ready to appoint 2 Pro-Vice Chancellor, one for the Tura campus, another for the Shillong campus. Rohit Prasad is not an advisor. He is a technical. He already did that all technical things for the university. All technical things.
Where is it written to appoint him? Show us. Show us the rules written to appoint him. Is he already a subject post?
Already showed in public. In the message, already has gone in the public. Press conference already given you have.
One thing is that we have lost confidence in your leadership. As of now, we want you to step down. You to step down. Yes. You to step down. That's only our demand. Who is doing this on the side? It's upon you, sir. It took you almost 50 hours to come out and to discuss all these matters, sir. We have been sitting here without eating for the last 50 hours, sir. And it took you 50 hours to constitute this executive something, whatever your administrative duties, sir. What were you doing, sir?